How to start a meeting from your mobile. Click on Zoom. Here down you can see meetings. Click on meetings. Here send invitation. Then copy to clipboard. It is copied. Then go to WhatsApp. Choose any group or whom you want to send the link. Here you can paste it. Then send. This link will go with the ID and password. Then open Zoom. Go to new meeting. Start a meeting. Now it is going to start a meeting. Then what are the options are here? I will discuss one by one. Here mute and unmute option is there. You can mute your audio. You can mute here or you can unmute yourself. Then participants. Here no participants are. Okay, I'll join here. From my system, go to WhatsApp. I'll join. In this way I can get one participant. Here you can see that one participant is there. Okay. I will minimize the screen. Yeah. Here, if I will get one participant, I will get all that options as like a participant. I stopped my video in both of the devices. Then here is one option for the share screen. You can share your any screen. Click on here, share screen. If you will use any photos or any screen. Suppose if you will use the screen, I'll use the screen first. If you are using the screen, see your mobile screen, it will come, and from that you can use any word files. You can show your any word files or any Excel file or any PowerPoint file. You can show it here. If you want to show any video also, you can show. See, first I will try from one word file. I'll click on word file. Any one I will take. This is yeah, this one is there, grade 3 English. Yeah, this is the worksheet. Okay, the size is very small, students cannot see, so I can zoom it. I can zoom the size of the page also, so that it will be in a big screen. See, its screen is very big now. You can read for how many years did Rip Van Winkle sleep. 30 years, 21 years, you can read. So if we are able to read, students also can able to read. Okay, you can use the zoom option from your mobile. Okay, any size you can zoom and you can show it like this. Okay, so this is possible to share a Word file. Then if I want to share Excel file, I can share. Click on Excel. Okay, any file you can share, and you can zoom also. Okay, then there is possibility of sharing the PowerPoint. Any PPTs you can share from here. Here the recent one, soft skills, is there. Yeah, I can share my PPT also. You can make it zoom, that is there in your hand, how much size you want. Okay, then I can share one video also. I'll go to VLC media player, and any video I can play. Okay, I'll stop it. Like this we can share the screen. Then come to zoom up. Here stop screen, you can stop this rectangle. If you will click, you can stop the screen. Then screen sharing options, I told you. If your file are there from Microsoft OneDrive also, you can share. From Google Drive also you can share, or from photos. Here box is there, photo, any photo if you want to share you can share, documents, if any documents if you want to share you can share. Here web URL also, bookmark also, and share whiteboard. I'll click on whiteboard. Okay, in whiteboard there I can write anything here. I can change the color, red color. B C I wrote. Okay, if I want to clear my screen, clear my drawings, here clear my drawings, whatever I have drawn, clear all drawings, anything is there I can clear others drawings. If any participants have drawn anything, sometimes participants for mischief, if they have drawn anything, participants are allowed to use the board, means that time what we will do, clear others drawings. Here others are not there, that's why it is not coming. Clear my drawing, everything will clear. Here you can see any shapes, see any shapes you can take, see, yeah, any curves, anything you can take, yeah. See, if I am taking like this, see, any color you can change from here, blue color I will take. Okay, it will take a triangle. Okay, no? Then spotlight means when you want to show it, see, spotlight, it will go back of how it is. Clear? Then come to clear my drawings, I can clear. Then if you will click on 3 dots, save to album. If you have written anything, okay, A B C, okay, then this if I want to save it in the album, you can save it, otherwise not. New whiteboard, I can take, this board is completely used, I want to take another whiteboard, so I can take a whiteboard, another one, and I can join it here. I can join it here. Okay, now okay, anything you can write here. Okay, anything I am writing here, I will use this board. Like this I can take number of boards, view all whiteboards. Here there is a option of 12 whiteboards. We can say 12 whiteboards. Okay, I'll close it. If you want to undo whatever I do before, you can undo it and you can redo it. Okay, then we'll close this whiteboard, stop sharing. Then participants, what are the options are here? Participants, as a host I'll get an option of mute all. If I'll go to mute all, here allow participant to unmute themselves. If I will click on here, no participants can unmute themselves. If I'll allow only, they can unmute themselves and they can speak with you. If I'll not allow, they cannot speak. Okay, I'll allow. Then next invite. In the middle of the class also you can take the copy link. You can copy the link. You can go to WhatsApp. You can send the link at the middle of the class. Then mute all option is there, I explained it. Okay, then next, participants over. Here more, if you will click on more, here reactions are there, 2 reactions you can use. Disconnect audio, chat is there, we will not disconnect audio. Chat option is there, I'll click on chat. Here you can see I can chat with my another participant who has joined from the desktop. Okay, I can chat like this, then close. Yeah, here you can see there is a option to send to privately. You can send it to everyone, or you can choose it as a participant, so it will go privately. Then next option is meeting setting. Here many options are there. If you want to lock the meeting, you can lock the meeting. Share screen, if you want to allow the participant to share screen, you can allow, otherwise you can off it. Chat with everyone, if you want to chat with everyone or you chat with the host only, you should allow the participant to chat with you only, so host only. Then rename option also there, unmute themselves, I will not stop it from here also, I can stop it or I can allow. Host control, this is the ID, it will come meeting topic, this one. Then play, join and leave sound, when they will join you want a sound or not. Yes, I want a sound when they will join. Okay, these all that options are there. Most of the options we can get from mobile also. Here you can see in desktop how you are clicking on the left side 0, you are clicking. Here if you will click on zoom, after one arrow mark is there, if you will click on there, you can get the password also, user ID and password you can get. This is the invitation link and this is the password you can get from here also. So in this way you can host a meeting, you can share your screen, everything you can do from the mobile also. This is possible. Thanks for watching.